Hello everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will see how you can ready your admin panel in Laravel in just minutes. Yeah, you heard it right, in just minute. We are going to use Laravel Filament to create an admin panel in Laravel. So just start this. So the first thing is definitely I am doing it in my scratch project. So let's install first Laravel here. This command will create a fresh Laravel project. After that we will install filament into it. Okay, till we can create database for this one. I am creating a database as filament demo. Okay, now now the next thing will be where we go to our filament demo, open it in VS Code, and we have to let's set up our database. So I am using MySQL here. So change it to MySQL. Rest things are correct. Database is filament demo. Password is root and sorry, username is root and the password will be blank. Perfect. Now the next command will be we have to composer cd step database. Okay, we will do this migration after doing all those things. Okay, now, or we can also migrate it right now as well. So just let's migrate. So it will migrate the migration files which already comes with when you install the Laravel. Okay, now the next thing will be we will install filament. So this command will install filament version 3 here, which is the latest right now. And right now it is giving some error, so instead of doing this we can install simply in this manner, and it will automatically install the latest version available. So I will correct this code. Okay, so after that we have to run this command. When you run this command, I think they ask for the username and all the things. Let's see. uh, just say no. Okay, now the filament is installed. Now the other part is we have to create one user for your admin. So for that part we are using Tinker here. So just php and Tinker, and then after just run this code. This will create a demo user with admin@example.com with the password as 12345678. Okay, just copy it and paste it here and press enter. Perfect. Now the user will be created and everything is now done. Now it's like your admin panel is ready. So just what you have to do, php artisan serve, and then go to this and write here admin slash login, and nothing is coming. Wow, that's something interesting. Okay, now it is the concerning because it's not showing the admin panel, but why? artisan outcast. Our filament is installed properly. These are also installed properly. Do we have missed anything? Because the part is when you install, it will show you the dashboard like the below one, which I have shown here. See? Something something is getting missed, or I don't know, like what happened to it. Filament. Our database is running filament demo. Go to our database. We have the users as well. Everything is fine. Then why? Sometimes it happens, you know. Why this command not works properly? It has to be. Let's run this command again. Would you like to? Yes, the filament components are already being there, but why it is not coming? Just let me check to the real documentation filament installation. I know you guys are not now getting a bit irritated that you guys also have to wait at what is happening, but let's see. Let's see what we are missing. Install panels. Okay, so this will be the real command, I think. Yeah. So see, so I have done two mistakes. I think the part one is this command will must have to be there, I think, and the panels command will be there because we have just run this one, right? And for that reason, the panels will not install. So definitely, I have to update my blog there. So let's do this one. What is the admin? Okay, now let's try it. Okay, now you can see our admin panel is coming, and just for a small command mistake, it takes some much time. Otherwise, definitely it won't takes you minutes, more than minutes to install it. So our user will be admin@example.com. And the password I'm using here 12345678. Remember me, and we'll do the sign in. Oh wow! So now you can see that we have ready-made admin install, and it is done now. So I hope you guys like the video, and really sorry for time being taken to fix that small problem. Okay, so very thanks for watching this video. If you like it, just subscribe it, because in next video I'm going to talk that how you can create the sidebars and how you can make relations, forms, and all those things, so that you will get much more friendly with the filament, or you can say a quick admin panel generator. So thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe it, and be in touch. Okay, bye bye.